Aha!
Welcome to Gen AI Briefs. Here's today's generative AI news for April 10th, 2024. OpenAI has announced the release of a new and significantly improved version of GPT-4 called GPT-4 Turbo, which includes integrated vision capabilities. This latest iteration builds upon the already powerful GPT-4 language model, but now allows for seamless multimodal processing by incorporating inputs from both text and images within the same request. One of the most notable enhancements is an increased context window of 128,000 tokens, drastically larger than previous models. This expanded context should allow GPT-4 Turbo to process and comprehend lengthier, more complex inputs, spanning multiple topics or modalities. OpenAI has also touted major improvements to the model's core quality and performance across a wide range of tasks. The rollout of GPT-4 Turbo has already begun, with the model being made available through OpenAI's API for developers, as well as a gradual integration into their popular ChatGPT product. These capabilities represent a significant leap forward in multimodal AI, enabling more natural and context-aware inputs, combining language, vision, and potentially other modalities into seamless conversational experiences. Google is making a major push to integrate generative AI capabilities across its Google Workspace productivity suite. Leading the charge is Google Vids, an AI video creation app allowing users to automatically generate storyboards, compile videos from stock footage, and even suggest voiceovers. It's set to launch in Workspace Labs this June. But AI is also enhancing Workspace's core apps. There's a new AI meetings and messaging add-on for automatic transcription, real-time translation, and conversation summaries in Meet and Chat. An AI security add-on helps IT teams classify and protect sensitive drive data. Expect voice prompting for text generation in Docs, smart formatting in Gmail, advanced table tools in Sheets, and better document organization. These AI-powered features are currently limited to paid Google Workspace business accounts. However, they signal Google's ambitions to make generative AI a core part of its productivity ecosystem going forward. From automated video production to AI-augmented writing, meetings, and security, Google is betting big that infusing Workspace with advanced AI will revolutionize modern workforce collaboration. Microsoft is launching a new AI hub in London to focus on developing advanced language models, infrastructure, and tooling. Led by AI executive Mustafa Suleyman, co-founder of Inflection and DeepMind, the hub will work closely with OpenAI and Microsoft's AI teams. The initiative reflects Microsoft's commitment to significant investment in the UK's AI sector, emphasizing a safety-first approach to AI advancement. This effort builds on a £2.5 billion investment, aiming to bolster the UK's AI infrastructure and talent pool by bringing 20,000 top-tier chips to the country by 2026. The London hub is set to enhance Microsoft's AI capabilities and the UK's global tech position, underlining the importance of ethical AI development. That's it for today's generative AI news from today's sources OpenAI, ZDNet, and Quartz. Thank you for listening. Links to these stories are in the podcast description. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.